Hello students, Standard 8. We started the 9th chapter, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Before we go forward, let me tell you some important things. That this chapter, particularly the identity that you will learn later in this chapter, is very, very important. All the identities that you will learn, that is the base of this algebra. In the future, in standard 9 and 10, in maths, you will use these identities lots of time. And therefore, I am telling you, please to learn these identities and put them in your mind permanently. Because the applications of the identities will be there. And if you remember the identities, your sums will be very, very quick. So, whenever the identities will come, I will tell you again also, but the whole chapter especially is very, very important. Because there is some basic things in algebra we are going to learn. And if the basic ideas are not clear in your mind, then in algebra you will face so many difficulties. And therefore, I am telling you again that you have to concentrate more on this chapter so that all the basic algebraic some identities will be clear in your mind. We started exercise 9.1 and question number 1 and 2 were finished. Going to start the question number 3. It says to add the number of expressions. Add the following. In which the first set of expression is AB minus BC. The second one is BC minus CA. And the last is CA minus AB. Now we are going to add them. As I show you in the examples, there we will write down all the expression in the rows such that like terms are in the same column. And then it is easier to add them. So first one is AB minus BC. Now the second is BC minus CA. So BC will be write down the BC. Now CA is not here, so minus CA will write down at last. In the third one there is CA. So we will write down CA here and minus AB. So minus AB will be here and here there is nothing. So we have to put plus CA because there is no sign, it means there is a plus sign. So now we have to add them column wise. Now here you can see that AB and minus AB will be 0. BC and, oh, we make a mistake here. that CA must be down the CA. So CA will be here and minus AB will be here. Here there is nothing. So now in this column AB minus AB is 0, minus BC plus BC is 0, minus CA plus CA is 0. So your answer is 0. Because everything is cancelled. So in the final answer, you can see the answer is equal to 0. Let's take another one. Second one. A minus B plus AB, comma, B minus C plus BC and C minus A plus AC. So let's write down in the first one A minus B plus AB. So now here is B. So B will return in the column. Minus C, but C is not here. So we will write down C after this last term. Plus BC. BC is also not there. So we will write down plus BC. Last is C. C will be written here. Minus A. Minus A will be written here. Plus AC. AC is not there. So plus AC will be there. Now here you can see that A and minus A will be 0. B and minus B is also 0. AB will be there. C and minus C is also 0. BC is there. And AC is there. So your answer is AB plus BC plus AC. So here I am writing AB plus BC plus AC. Let's take the next question. Third one. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4, comma, 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. There are only two terms here, two expressions here. So now, first expression we will write down first. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Now in second, first is 5. So plus 5 will be down the 4 because they are the constant terms. 7pq plus 7pq. Pq is here. So we will write down under minus 3pq plus 7pq. And the last is minus 3 p square q square. Here there is p square q square. So minus 3 p square q square. Now we have to add them. 2 minus 3. We know that 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 1 we not write down. So minus p square q square. Minus 3 plus 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Bigger number sign is plus. So 4pq plus 4 plus 5 is 9. So it is better like that. Next, fourth one. In fourth, L square plus M square, comma, M square plus N square plus n square plus L square, n square plus L square, and the last is 2Lm plus 2Mn plus 2NL. So here L square plus M square is first. In the second, M square plus N square. So M square plus N square. N square plus L square. So plus N square. L square is here. So we have to write down L square here. 2Lm. There is nothing here. So that all we will write down 2Lm plus 2Mn plus 2NL. Because in the previous there are no terms like that. So here L square plus L square is 2L square. M square plus M square is also 2M square. N square plus N square is also 2N square. And they are alone. So we will write down as it is 2Lm plus 2Mn plus 2NL. So whenever there are more expressions, 2 or 3 expressions, first we write down the first expression. In the second expression we see that if there are like terms, then we will put them under the previous expressions like terms. If no like terms are there, we put it at the last like that. And then when we finish, we have to add the columns and write down the final answer like this. Now question number 4. There are different things given. First A. Subtract 4A minus 7AB plus 3B plus 12 from 12A minus 9AB plus 5B minus 3. Now we saw that when there is subtraction, the second expression means from this. So second expression will be written first. In addition, you can write down any expression first, second, third, not a problem. But when we are subtracting, we have to remember that the expression which is followed by from will be taken first. So first we will write down 12A minus 9AB plus 5B minus 3. Then 4A minus 7AB plus 3B. Here you can see that like terms are there, and plus 12. So now here when there is subtraction, keep in your mind that the sign of the second term, second expression will be changed. So here we have to consider the minus sign. Here the sign will be gone, consider plus sign. Here plus sign will be gone, consider minus. And plus gone, consider minus. And now we have to do like we do the addition, same thing. So now 12 minus 4A. 12 minus 4A means 12 minus 4 how much? 8. So 8A. Now minus AB will be here, but minus 9 plus 7. We know that when there are opposite signs, we subtract, means 9 minus 7 is 2. And greater number sign is minus. So minus 2AB. Here plus 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So plus 2, because plus is for the bigger number. And minus 3 minus 12. When both are the negative numbers, we add them. Means 12 plus 3 is 15. And again, the negative sign. So when doing subtraction, remember that all the sign will be changed. Here you can see that there is nothing means plus sign. Plus sign will be converted in minus, minus, plus, plus will be in minus, and so on. And then column wise we have to do the simplification. Let's take the next one, B. Subtract, here also subtraction. Subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So now from this it means that first we have to write down the second, means 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So we wrote down that one, and now the other one means this one. So 3xy is there, so we will write down under the xy term plus 5yz. So plus, here there are in the order, so you don't have to worry, and minus 7zx. There is nothing here, so we will keep a place there. Now the sign will be changed, so here plus will be minus, plus will be minus, minus will be plus. Now 10xyz have nothing with them, so 10xyz will be same like that, because nothing should be subtracted here. So now minus 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2xy minus 2 minus 5, both are negative, so we have to add. So 2 plus 5 is 7, so minus 7 yz minus 2 plus 7. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Greater number sign is plus. So plus 5zx. So answer is that 2xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xyz. The last one, subtract 4p square cube minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q from minus 10 also there, minus 10 from, let us check, 4p square cube minus 3p cube plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square cube. When this type of situation, be careful, because sometimes pq square and p square cube can make you confused. If you put them together, then there will be problem. So pq square will be with pq square, p square cube will be with p square cube. So now from it this one, so first we have to take this one, means 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2 pq square plus 5p square cube. Now from this one, 4p square cube. So now we have to be careful. P square cube is at last here. So 4p square cube will be there. Nothing sign. So we have to take as plus. Minus 3pq. Where is pq? Here. So minus 3pq will be under the PQ. Then 5 PQ square. PQ square is here. Plus 5 PQ square. So whenever you put with the sign, then minus 8p. Here is 8p. Then plus 7q. So here will be plus 7q and minus 10. So be careful when you put like that. Now subtraction, so sign change, minus will be plus, minus will be plus, plus will be minus, minus will be plus, plus will be minus. If you forget to change the sign, whole wrong sign. Now minus 18 plus 10, that is 28. Minus 3 plus 8, 8 minus 3 is 5 and greater number is 5. So 5p. Minus 11 minus 7, so minus 18q. Both are plus, so 5 plus 3, 8. So 8pq. Both are negative, so we have to add and get a minus sign. So 2 plus 5 is 7 pq square. And 5 minus 4 is 1. We don't write down 1. So only 1 means plus p square. So addition is simple, but when you do the subtraction, don't forget to change the sign of the expression which is written in the read down. So here we are going to finish the exercise, and today's session will be followed by PDF, and write down any confusion in the comment section. Thank you very much.